Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we learned how to find the area and perimeter of a rhombus and we solved a question. In this video, we are going to solve another question on finding the area and perimeter of a rhombus. Let's consider the question. The diagonals of a rhombus are 10 centimeters and 16 centimeters long. Find 1. The area of the rhombus and 2. Perimeter of the rhombus. So in this question, we have been given the diagonals of the rhombus and we are supposed to find the area and perimeter. Let's concentrate on the area for now. So it means that if we draw this rhombus A, B, C, D, we have the diagonal AC and the diagonal BD. You can see from this diagram that AC will be longer than BD. So the diagonal AC is 16 centimeters and the diagonal BD is 10 centimeters. Okay, so we have AC as 16 centimeters and BD as 10 centimeters. We learned in the previous video that the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So if I call their point of intersection, the point of intersection of the diagonals, if I call it point E, it means that the angle created at point E here is 90 degrees or a right angle. As we said, the diagonals bisect each other. It means that the diagonal AC will divide BD into two equal parts. BD is 10 centimeters. So if AC divides into two parts, then it means that from D to E is 5 centimeters and from E to B is 5 centimeters. The same way, the diagonal BD will also divide the diagonal AC into two equal parts. AC is 16 centimeters. So if it's divided into two equal parts, then it means that from A to E is 8 centimeters and from E to C is also 8 centimeters. Okay, the question says that we should find the area of the rhombus. Given the diagonals, the area is equal to half times the product of the diagonals. The diagonals are 16 centimeters and 10 centimeters long. So it's equal to half times 16 centimeters times 10 centimeters. And if you simplify this, you are going to have 80 centimeters. So the area of this rhombus is 80 centimeters squared. So we have two formulas for finding the area: length times height and half times product of the diagonals. So if you are being given the length and height, you use length times height. If you are being given the diagonals, you use half times product of the diagonals. Here we had the diagonal AC and the diagonal BD. So it's going to be half times AC, which is 16 centimeters, times BD, which is 10 centimeters. And this will give us 80 centimeters squared. So the area of this rhombus is 80 centimeters squared. The second part of the question says that we should find the perimeter of the rhombus. The perimeter of the rhombus. To find the perimeter of the rhombus, we know that the formula is 4L, or 4 times the length of the rhombus. It means that we have to find the length of the rhombus. That is what we are going to look for now. We have DE as 5 centimeters and EC as 8 centimeters. There is a right angle here. Remember that DC is the side or the length of the rhombus. For rhombus, all the sides are equal. So if you're able to find one side, it means that it will be the same for all the sides. If you're able to find the length of one side, it will be the same for all the other sides. Okay, so if you consider the points D, E, C, you will see that it forms a right angled triangle with DE as 5 centimeters and EC as 8 centimeters. Remember, we are looking for the side DC, since that will be the length of the side of the rhombus. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. If you apply the Pythagoras theorem here, you have DC squared is equal to DE squared plus EC squared. DE is 5 centimeters, so 5 squared, plus EC is 8 centimeters, 8 squared. So DC squared is equal to 5 squared plus 8 squared. If you simplify this, DC, which is the length of the side of the rhombus, will give us 9.4 centimeters. So here, the length of the side DC is 9.4 centimeters. But for rhombus, all the sides are equal. So if DC is 9.4 centimeters, then it means that AD is also 9.4 centimeters, AB is also 9.4 centimeters, and BC is also 9.4 centimeters. Okay, so we now know that the length of the side of the diagonal is 9.4 centimeters. We can find our perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4 times the length. We found the length to be 9.4 centimeters. So it's going to be 4 times 9.4 centimeters, which will give us 37.6 centimeters. So the perimeter of the rhombus is 37.6 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to consider how to find the area and perimeter of another quadrilateral. This time, the quadrilateral we'll be considering is a kite. So we will learn how to find the area and perimeter of a kite. Bye-bye.